households both alike in dignity, in fair Verona, where we lay our scene. From ancient grudge break to new mutiny, where civil blood makes civil hands unclean. From forth the fatal loins of these two foes, a pair of star-crossed lovers take their life, whose misadventure piteous overthrows, doth with their death bury their parents' strife. Lady Capulet, I am here to ask for your daughter's hand in marriage. Okay. She is but 14. You may ask her yourself. Adieu, fair madame. I am so sad. Hello, Romeo. What is the trouble? Ah, the one I love does not love me. Hey, stop. Did you know the Capulets are having a party? Your fairest Rosaline will be there. Oh, okay. Plus, there's free beer. Yay! Where is my sweet Rosalind? It is I, Juliette, the love of your life. I enjoy fresh fruit and picnics. Oh, aren't you a beauty? Our Capulet, fight me. Avast ye, Tybalt. Cha-ching! She's my betrothed. Yeah, well, she's my girlfriend, so suck it. Fight me. Okay. Wow. Ching, 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 ching. Romeo. I'm in love. I'm in love. He can do no wrong, my sweet, sweet Romeo. Come, my dear, come find me. I'll be waiting forever. Oh, Romeo, I love you so much. Oh, Friar, whatever shall I do? I am so in love with Romeo, but I can't have him. Oh. There. Drink this. It is a poison that will make you appear deceased. Okay. Oh no, my dearest Juliette is dead. Whatever shall I do? I shall drink from this poison. Gulp, 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 gulp.